Are you a professional looking for the best place to live where you can work and play downtown? Today's listing here at the SoBa building might just be the answer to your question. Today we're at the SoBa building on Catherine Street. And before I show off this beautiful one-bedroom with a den condo, Kareem's going to show you around the neighborhood.
The SoBa is very conveniently located in the south end of Centertown, just across from the Glebe. You can walk to museums, groceries, any kind of amenities you want, as well as Winterlude in February and Blues Fest in the summer.
The SoBa is completed in 2020, which is great for new buyers because you could be confident that it's still covered under the Terran warranty. It's actually so new that some of the amenities aren't even completed yet. So coming soon to the 8th floor, you're looking at the gym, the pool, and the party room. Condo fees are extremely reasonable and including heat, water, building insurance, and security along with excellent amenities. The unit itself does not come with parking or a locker, but it's very likely that the space can be rented from a neighbor. If you need that flexibility, there are many car share spaces in the vicinity of the building for the occasional driver.
So this is unit 1002. And the first thing that you're going to notice when you come in is the nice high ceilings. And along with that is all this natural light that comes in from the floor to ceiling windows. The unit is currently set up in kind of a work from home situation for our owner, but it's got a ton of versatility with this layout. It's a corner unit, it's got a great big main area and a den, so whether you love to entertain, whether you love to relax, or whether you love to indulge your green thumb like our owner does, it's got plenty of versatility for you. You can see that the kitchen is well laid out and has great finishes, like stainless steel appliances in the kitchen and stone countertops. The bath has a similar level of finish, and the unit includes laundry in suite. The bedroom is big and bright and features a generous walk-in closet. It's a wonderful place to find quiet, yet also be connected to the city below. Finally, we have the den, where you can relax, you can turn it into a work area, and you can have an area to get away from your kitchen and the rest of the unit. The large balcony has a wonderful view out across Centertown and the Glebe down to the canal. And we're high enough up that there's no nuisance noise from the street.
You're going to love living here. Here are the top 3 things about Unit 1002.
Awesome views, high ceilings, floor to ceiling windows, all on a corner unit.
Convenient location right in the middle of everything. You can walk to almost everything you need, and anything you can't access via walking, you can use transit nearby.
Great building, reasonable condo fees that includes everything except for hydro and brand new amenities.
Did you love this home tour? Share it with somebody who you think would appreciate a beautiful corner unit. And then go and follow us on YouTube so that you never miss a home tour, neighborhood guide, or market update. We have plenty more resources there and at nickfundytus.ca so that you are always informed and up to date on the Ottawa real estate market. And before I show off this beautiful one-bedroom condo with a den, Kareem's going to show you around the neighborhood. Oh.
You're going to love living here. Here are the top 3 things you're going to love about these units.
What is that? Can I hear the line one more time? Yeah. Reasonable hydro fees that include everything. It's a great building. Reasonable, son of a gun.